All right, guys, welcome to the next Honda S800 update. I think it's 23. I think so. But guys, we're really excited because Elise and I just stayed up. We just spent the whole afternoon putting in bushings, and man, was it a challenge. We were on our backs, we were lifting the car up, we were maneuvering bushings, but we got them all in, and let me tell you, it is super exciting because we could finally start loading up the car with stuff. Now, this is gonna be a mixed emotional video, and the reason why is because we recently posted the S800 up for sale. And you're probably wondering why, especially if we're still working on it. And the reason why is because of the engine. There's no support, guys. And really, I've even offered to buy a whole engine. And let me tell you, there is a Black Friday style of a line of people looking for engines for this car, the S600 or the S800. Now, did I know that before I bought this car? No. Did I assume that there was gonna be parts available? Yes. Is that my fault? Kind of. Is this a learning lesson? Absolutely. Do I care? Kind of not. It's kind of a big model car. But I'm still excited because we've learned a lot. If you've been watching, we have done a lot to the car, and it is in really great shape. So we put it up for sale because at this point in time, I'm on the fence if I should swap it or sell it. And at this point in time, I'm gonna be like, it's for sale. If somebody wants to come with a truck and they wanna buy it from me, then I'm not really gonna worry about it. But in the same time, if nobody wants to buy it, we're gonna swap it. It's already done, like that's the final decision. It's getting swapped. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm not like Richard Graves, my buddy, who's gonna keep everybody in limbo, what he's gonna swap it in. I'm gonna just, I don't know, we'll get to that when we get to that. But this is just a project. It literally sits against the wall. But let us tell you what we've done and show you real quick. So right here in the engine bay, we had 4 bushings. We had one right here, another one over there, and 2 right there. And man, we had to flex, we had to move, but we got those bad boys in. And let me tell you, body on chassis cars, I could see why it's important to have all these connections, but let me tell you, it was a pain. Then we come over here and right away you can see the top of these, and we haven't tightened them down all the way because we need like 2 nuts. We're gonna get them from a hardware store, but we wanna leave everything loose before we tighten it down to that final tighten. And so we have 2 here, we have 4 that run against here. We have 2 in the center, and then we have 4 in the footwell. You can't really see those, but I just wanna let you know, there is quite a bit of them. And then here in the trunk, check out all of this. We've got 4 here, we've got 1 right here, another one over there, another one over here, and another one here. But they're all in, and they're all brand new bushings, and that is awesome. And again, that is one exciting thing. I have to give a big shout out to Ortman. That guy is just awesome. He provides a great service for this community as far as parts. I just wish he sold engines, right? Complete engines. All right, guys, so why are the chassis bolts so important? Well, of course, you don't want the body flying off, but that's gonna allow us to start bolting stuff down. And that's gonna be really cool because we're pretty much gonna be done with the car, I would say in another 3 months, to be even crazier, 6 months. And the only reason why I say that is because we gotta get seats reupholstered, we gotta put some carpet down, but pretty much we're gonna start adding stuff to the car because we can. And like I was saying before in the other videos, if we did, we wouldn't be able to lift up that car. And but we're good. So we're really excited that we're this far. This is so neat, guys. Well, we appreciate you tuning in for this update. You never know what's gonna happen, guys. Maybe somebody wants to buy this. It's cool with me. If not, then you guys start letting me know what kind of swaps we're gonna do, because we're doing a swap. I'm gonna write a check for a shop to do it. We're gonna drop this bad boy off. We're gonna find the right shop, write a check, pick it up, and at this point in time, we're gonna have a unique vehicle. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you soon, and we'll see you later.